Even the smallest moments are worth saving, so capture them right. Meet DJI Mini 3, a compact drone that can easily capture your adventures, big and small. Battery life shouldn't be a stressor. With an extended battery, you can fly for longer. Capture life as vibrantly as it's lived, and in stunning detail. Go vertical to share the adventure on social media. And don't leave anything out. Perhaps Mini 3's best trick yet? Pick a flight pattern and turn a perfect instant into cinematic magic. Don't let a little breeze stand in the way of a perfect shot. And with a stable connection, you can go from picture perfect to picturesque. When you're done filming, just hit return to home. Mini 3 safely retires to its starting point. So, fly. DJI Mini 3.